precision, power, preparedness. The Indian Army's Republic Day parade will not just be ceremonial. It is set to be a clear message of deterrence, compatibility and confidence. Leading the weapons display will be the two pillars of India's strategic deterrence: the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile and the Akash surface-to-air missile system. BrahMos, capable of delivering precision strikes at supersonic speeds, represents India's offensive edge across land, sea and air. Alongside it, Akash stands guard, a proven air defense shield designed to intercept hostile aircraft and aerial threats.
The star of Operation Sindoor, Akash missile systems, they are again the indigenous air defense power of India. We've seen how they have not only neutralized the threat, the enemy threats during Operation Sindoor, but they have created devastation for Pakistan.
A defining feature of the modern battlefield is unmanned warfare. And the Army's Drone Shakti initiative is set to take center stage at the parade. From surveillance to reconnaissance to precision targeting, drones are now integral to military operations.
As we have seen in the recently ongoing global conflicts, drones have become integral components of modern-day multi-domain warfare. And the modern battlefield relies heavily on drones for achieving its mission. So this Drone Shakti vehicle is based on an 8x8 Tatra, which helps it to match its mobility with the mechanized forces.
A major highlight of the parade will be the advanced towed artillery gun system, also known as the ATAGS. Designed and developed indigenously, ATAGS marks a decisive leap in artillery firepower, offering extended range, accuracy and sustained firing capability across diverse terrain.
सबसे पहले ये है कि मेक इन इंडिया की पहल में ये एडवांस टोड आर्टिलरी गन सिस्टम जो कि एक बहुत बड़ी पहल है हमारी, और इसकी खास बात यह है कि जो इससे पहले हमारे पास बोफोर्स जो कि बाहर से हमने गन को इंडक्ट किया है, उससे भी कहीं ज़्यादा इसकी रेंजेस हैं, और ये रेंज लगभग अप्रॉक्स 40 किलोमीटर होगी। तो इसका अभी कैलिबर की बात करूँ तो 155 mm कैलिबर है और 52 कैलिबर जो कि बाकी गन से ज़्यादा है।
Next, all eyes will be on Pinaka, the multi-barrel rocket launcher system built for rapid saturation strikes. Capable of delivering devastating firepower in seconds, Pinaka reinforces India's ability to dominate the battlefield through swift, overwhelming force. Adding to India's lethal anti-armor capability in the Nag missile system, a fire and forget third-generation anti-tank guided missile.
नाग मिसाइल सिस्टम है, इसके अंदर 4 लॉन्चर लगे हुए हैं जो कि दुश्मन के टैंक को फायर एंड फॉरगेट मिसाइल लगी है जो 5 किलोमीटर रेंज पे दुश्मन के टारगेट को बर्बाद करने की क्षमता रखती है।
ये भारत में ही बना है, ये खास बात है।
जी, ये भारत के DRDL सिकंदराबाद से बना हुआ है।
The unmistakable rumble of steel will be on display for all to see with the T-90 Bhishma main battle tanks. The backbone of India's armoured core, the T-90 combines speed, protection and lethal firepower built for modern high-intensity warfare.
Giant machine weighs 46 ton and can achieve a speed up to 50 to 60 km in all different kind of terrains. And from last RD parade, we have done some modifications on this. As you can see, this is a cope cage in-house built. We have done the modification to protect this from top attack and drone attacks.
Shakti Ban, a new generation 6x6 platform, will showcase the specialized surveillance and targeting capabilities. Designed for niche operational roles, it reflects focus on integrating advanced technologies into forward deployments. Divyastra will also be on display, symbolizing the next phase of India's indigenous missile ecosystem, focused on precision, reliability and adaptability to evolving combat scenarios. Completing the layered defense picture will be Abra, the medium-range surface-to-air missile system, designed to intercept aircraft, UAVs and incoming missiles. Abra enhances survivability of critical military assets.
Abra is a medium-range surface-to-air missile weapon system which provides area ID cover against hostile enemy threats. It is usable against aircrafts, Raptors, supersonic and subsonic missiles, and gives area ID cover to ground assets and ground forces.
From missiles to mechanized might, from drones to disciplined soldiers, the Indian Army's Republic Day is set to be a display of our force's statement of readiness, a force rooted in tradition but driven by innovation. With Shivani Sharma at Kartavya Path, Bureau Report, India Today.